So you've probably heard people complain, the rich don't pay taxes. And you know what? They're kinda right. But here's the twist. It's not because they're stuffing cash in offshore pirate chests or sneaking it under their mattress. Nope. They're doing it legally. That's right. The ultra-wealthy have figured out how to play the tax code like it's their personal monopoly board. And, spoiler alert, they usually win. Here's how it works. First, the rich don't actually make their money the way you and I do. Most of us earn a salary or wage. Translation, the government takes its cut before we even see our paycheck. The rich? They don't rely on salaries. They build wealth through assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses, and those get taxed differently. Second, the tax code is basically a giant list of rewards for doing things the government likes. You build affordable housing? Tax break. You invest in green energy? Tax break. You create jobs? Oh look, another tax break. Rich people use their wealth to invest in these things, collect the rewards, and laugh all the way to the, well, private jet. And here's the kicker. Billionaires often borrow money against their wealth instead of selling it. Why? Because loans aren't income. So instead of selling stocks and paying taxes, they take out a loan backed by their stocks. They still get the cash, but Uncle Sam doesn't get a dime. Genius, right? Meanwhile, you and I borrow money to buy a used car, and the bank wants our kidneys as collateral. So when you hear that rich people don't pay much in taxes, it's not because they're breaking the rules. It's because they wrote the rules. Or at least paid someone in a very expensive suit to write them. Now, before you rage quit, remember this. Understanding how money and taxes actually work gives you power. No, you're not going to get Jeff Bezos-level loopholes tomorrow, but learning the system means you can use smaller versions of the same strategies, like investing, real estate, or starting a business, to legally keep more of your own money. So, in short, the rich don't pay taxes because they've mastered the game. And the rest of us? Well, we're just out here pressing retry like it's a video game we can't beat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, if you can't beat the system, at least learn how to deduct your coffee as a business expense. Until next time.